Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to the Sacred Life channel with Maria, the best place for radical transformation. Today, I'll be talking about how you can wake up early and not feel tired. Before I get into my tips and tricks, I want to say that like most things, the first couple of weeks of implementing this new routine or these tips and tricks can be quite difficult. And so I want to encourage you to push past these first 2 weeks because then you will instantly start seeing results. Here's a little secret that I learned. It's not about the quantity of sleep that you get, it's actually about the quality of the sleep that you get. And the quality of the sleep that you get all depends on what you do the day before. The first tip I have is to exercise for at least 30 minutes a day. It is so important and it really helps your circadian rhythm, helps stabilize our moods, our bodies, and our health. And so getting at least 30 minutes of movement into your daily routine is going to be highly effective in the long run in improving the quality of the sleep that you get. The next tip I have is to wake up and go to sleep at approximately the same time every morning and every night. Your body loves routine, and so if you help your body get into a circadian rhythm that works for you, it will be extremely beneficial and the quality of your sleep is going to improve drastically. I found that whenever I get my body into a very good routine, I automatically wake up at the same time every single day. It's crazy. I don't need to wait for an alarm clock. My body rises at the same time. It's really fun to see and I feel energized, ready to go. If you're looking for some ways to fill up that last hour you have before bed, I want to encourage you to do something relaxing like journaling, reading, meditating, or stretching. These types of low-level activities get your body ready for a deep slumber. Then finally, it's time to wake up. There are 2 last tips I have for you. As soon as you wake up, make your bed. It is a tiny habit that can have a significant impact in your mindset for that day. The last tip I have for when you wake up is to avoid eating sugary foods. I know that it might be tempting, but eating something sugary early in the morning will cause you to crash later on throughout the day. Let me know in the comments below, are you a morning person? If you enjoyed this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Make sure to click the subscribe button if you haven't already. Share this video with your family and friends. And tune in next week where I'll be talking about how to be productive the right way. Today's wisdom affirmation: my source of strength comes from within. Namaste.